Sir J.R. Alvarez. From Platinum.
Alright, come on everybody! Back, just keep your eyes on me. I said to hold it back. Shut up and dance with me. This body's my destiny. He said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Alright, come on everybody. Happy anniversary. SMCD Baco. We are victims of the night. The chemical, physical, hit tonight. Helpless to the face and the fading light. We're bound to get together, bound to be together. See tomorrow, I don't know what it happened. Hitting the floor, she said, oh, they will tell you back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold it back. Shut up and dance with me. This body's my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Right? Para po sa inyo lahat. Araw-araw na naghanapin. Ilang beses na rin tayo hinihintay. Di na mabilang ang ating mga kabuhay. Di natin tingnan ang mga yan. Dito tayo sa huli palagi. Babalik pa rin sa'yo hanggang sa huli palagi. Pipiliin ko mag-isa. Ulitin na nais kong malaman yung ganito ko. Maraming salamat po. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo lang? One song for all of you. Good evening po. Dito pa rin mga sa pangalugong ba ng puso, ika'y nasa isip ko. Sa tuwing ang aking ligaya ang nadarama. Pati mara sa'yo na ako'y di pagbo. Bakit nagkaganito nang sa iba ka pa nalaman na ika'y hirap at gusto mong mag-isa? Ako sana'y di tuluyang iwan mo. Sana'y malaman mo hindi ang puso ko'y pag-ibig mo. Aking mahal, kailangan ko ikaw. At kung sakali man tuluyang mo kong iwanan, sana'y mabigyan ng pagkakataon. Ito damdamin ko na para lang sa'yo. Alright, come on everybody! Do it back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold it tight and dance with me. This body's my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare do that. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you hold it back. Shut up and dance with me. This body's my destiny. He said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Come on, everybody. Sayaw mo tayo. Shut up and dance with me.
you.